What's the meaning of cruiser? Cruiser. Cruiser.
Cruiser. Cruiser. A cruiser is a type of warship that is typically larger and faster than other types of warships. It is equipped with powerful guns and designed to operate over long distances. Cruisers are often used as flagships, escort vessels, and for patrols. They can also be used for humanitarian missions such as disaster relief efforts. Overall, cruisers are versatile, multi-purpose ships that can be used in a variety of roles and have played an important part in naval operations throughout history.